Thank you, Lord, for this wonderful, wonderful meal. Sanctus, delightful, tastes so good. Guys, as you can see, nothing left, not even a single one. It's really worth the price, guys and girls. 319. I'm totally satisfied for the food that I eat tonight. Thank you so much. See that? I'm not gonna tell you guys and girls what resto is this because this is not a sponsor and they don't have talent fee given to me. That's why. Anyway, just kidding. Who knows if they watch this, they're gonna get me as their image model. Thank you, Lord. Tastes so good.